Welcome back to this video. If you have Kiwi Browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply switch or change your search engine in Kiwi Browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. With that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Kiwi Browser. So I'm going to simply click on here. Then having opened up your Kiwi Browser, next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. The next thing you need to do is to click on search engine. So you can switch from Google default search engine to Yahoo search engine or Bing or this or this or this. So as at the time of making this video, these are search engine available in Kiwi. So I'm going to simply switch to Yahoo search engine right here. Then I'm going to simply go back and go back. By the time I refresh, Yahoo search engine is going to be here in the search engine on Kiwi Browser. So I can simply come to the top right here and create a new tab. Then I try to click on here and search for something. Then you have the result right here with Yahoo search engine. That's simple. So you can create as many as possible tab right here. It's as simple as that. So as you can see right here, this is search with Yahoo. So we can simply close the tab and we can go back to setting right here and switch back to Bing if we like. So we can simply go back and back. Then we can come to the top right here again and create a new tab. And then from here, we can start to search for another thing, PDF. Click on search. Now this search here, by the time I minimize, you see now that we are searching with Bing. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply search engine in Kiwi Browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.